Hey guys, so right now we are setting up for Paige's bridal shower. We've made it. We'll show you around a little bit. Jenna's in charge of vlogging today, but she didn't want to talk. So she's gonna kind of do like the aesthetics version of it. But it is 9 o'clock and we are all setting up because we wanted to get ready afterwards because it's supposed to be like 80 degrees today and it's hot and not air conditioned. So that's our plan. Okay, these are little lanterns. We're gonna put little hydrangeas, little blue hydrangeas inside of here. And then these are our giveaway gifts. That's why they're all there. We are on our way to go get helium for the balloons. The other girls are in Courtney's car, and so yeah, that's an adventure.
It was, we went to Dollar General. Jenna called Dollar General and they said they can blow them up. So we went in and they ended up, she was like, we can't blow these up.
But I called like 5 minutes before,
yeah,
so.
but Courtney freaked out.
Everyone was like, it's fine, it's fine, it's fine.
Yeah, but now we're going to Walmart, so.
Yeah. And we have 2 hours, so. Okay, we are out.
And that's just pregnant. I keep making that joke and she doesn't like it. Gotta get ready for this bridal shower.
Yes. Okay, we're getting our helium. We're discussing on which one to get. So yeah, we got our helium. Now it's time to go get ready. I don't even know where we parked.
I don't know.
So yeah.
Here we go.
See you guys in a bit.
Bye.
We made it back to the Holy Hayloft. And now it's time to blow up the balloons. To the bridal shower. The other girls are with Paige and Courtney has some of the food, and so it's go time. Got it?